Hello and welcome to Captain Bob. I hope you all are having a fantabulous day, and make sure to stay till the end, because today we're gonna make a button box. Captain Bob, he's my best friend and he should be yours too. For this project, we will need a zero delay, all of the cords associated with a zero delay, a bunch of momentary push switches, any will work, and an enclosure. I'm using a cookie box because I like cookies and eBay is slow. For tools, you will need some wire strippers, some wire cutters, a soldering iron, and your PMA. Since I'm extra, I'm going to use some encoders. They don't actually work. When you twist them, it actually presses a button. I'm going to start by painting my cookie container. This looks acceptable! Next, you're going to want to set the layout. You can use Photoshop or another fancy tool, but I'm old-fashioned, so I'm going to use pen and paper. Beautiful! Now I'm going to want to take this template and completely throw it away because I messed up. But perfectionists, you can use it. Why not? Let's drill a hole here. And here. And hole here. Here and right now, I'm squealdering, but you can just twist the wires together. It doesn't make a huge difference as long as you're not throwing it off cliffs. Now you're going to put the buttons in, and it'd be helpful if you did button 1 where button 1 goes, and so on. Right now all the switches are put in, and I just need to plug it in. With my box, I only used actually a few buttons, but you can use up to 14. Now shove this through. Man, isn't this fancy? But as you can see, it's just a nice first project if you want to get into electronics, and it's really versatile. You can make this for about $10. I highly recommend you make one just to learn a little bit about Flight Simulator, and go for it. Get your hands dirty. Oops. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got either knowledge in your brain or you got a solid 4 minutes of sleeping. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's check what's in the magical box. It's a Fantabulous encoder cap. Potentiometer cap. You can peel off the top. And it looks like that. Fancy. And remember that life is a journey, so keep on flying.